It's a boy. We are so excited. Yeah, it was actually Marvin, my boyfriend's idea for this video. Shout out to him for being so creative. He was like, oh, why don't you reveal it on your channel first, you know, and like have yourself doing your makeup. So that was really cool. Really creative idea. So this wasn't even like my doing, you know what I'm saying? That's the tea, sis. We did do like a super extra, like really cool gender reveal with all of our friends and family. We all found out at the same time. If you did find my channel from Mariana's vlog channel on YouTube, then you already know what it is because you saw it. And welcome, by the way. Like, thank you so much for subscribing. And thank you to Mariana for featuring my gender reveal in her video, which is crazy. We actually followed each other like early in the week randomly on Instagram, and then she just so happened to be in Orlando the night of my gender reveal. So yeah, so like I saw her Snapchat story, but for some reason it didn't occur to me that she was at the gender reveal because it was a little bit later. So I don't know, I don't know, I didn't think she was there. And then I had a couple people tell me that they found me through her video, which is so cool. So if you followed me on Instagram, you already knew what I was having. But I just wanted to have like an official, like, you know, nice and creative way of revealing it on my channel. And just a heads up, there is gonna be like the official gender reveal. It'll be in a separate video. I was gonna do it together, but I feel like it would have taken away from like how lit that gender reveal was. So I wanted to do these separately, and this was like such a good idea that I couldn't pass it up. So I'm sorry that I'm doing like a double reveal, but the world needs to know, okay? Baby Bracy will be born. His due date is May 23rd, but I have a feeling I don't know. I'm either gonna go super late or like kind of early. We'll see. We have our theories. Also, I know I'm kind of rambling, but I do have a boyfriend tag coming up. I figured I would introduce him to my channel since I'm gonna try to start talking about my pregnancy more, and I figured you guys could like put a face to a name, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, look out for that. That'll be coming soon. That's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. 2018 is gonna be lit. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.